right. Well, before lunch, we're going to do our annual Beacon Awards for 2025. Just to remind folks, especially with all the new attendees here, what the Beacon Awards are, as we reward really three categories of members of the Free Market Medical Association. One of those is a buyer, a seller, and a facilitator. And we have one of each this year that definitely deserve recognition. These are really pioneers and leaders in their respective categories, and they definitely deserve our honor and our attention. So with that, Keith, you want to do the first?
Sure. The first winner of Beacon Award, I'm honored to announce, is the finest, he's the finest cardiologist and one of the finest physicians I know, Dwayne Schmidt.
Thank you, guys. I'm sort of, I had no idea this was coming. I was supposed to come and do a lecture or something like that. This is fantastic. I'm happy to be able to walk up here. I just had knee replacement by a very good orthopedic surgeon about 3 months ago, so I'm happy to be here on my own 2 feet. This organization has really meant a lot to me. 11 years ago when it was formed, I was just in the nascent stages of figuring out that the hospital sucked. And the hospital that I had built had evolved into something that I had built it to not be. And it was really the momentum was created by conversations with Keith and his strength, his boldness, his courage, and it was overwhelmingly oozing out of his body whenever I visited with him about it the first time. And that's why we then left the heart hospital and started our own facility, freestanding facility with a surgery center. And we've been doing direct contracting and traditional care as well through an ambulatory surgery center where we do a wide spectrum of cardiovascular procedures and services. And we've been very blessed with success, not only here, but it's catching on around the country. Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Okay, so the next Beacon Award winner is in the buyer category. This is a fearless organization that has not only endured but thrived in a difficult healthcare marketplace. They are really innovative, creative, and have really leveraged everything that the Free Market Medical Association espouses. I'm pleased to announce the 2025 Beacon Award winner for buyer category, Tower Extrusions. Mark, would you come up?
Wow, what a surprise. You know, I'm just really up here today for this event because I love what's happening. I think I attended one of your first events, and I don't know, there couldn't have been more than 30 people there. So it's just so much fun for me to see what's happening. And I tell you, as a buyer and a participant in the Free Medical Market Association, it's I got to tell you, our employees are so happy with it. I'm happy with it because we're saving money. We're saving our employees money. And I'm just going to take this opportunity again to encourage any of you guys out there that are considering taking your companies and going the reference-based pricing or direct primary care models. Do it, okay? It's not all easy, but these guys, I mean, they're pathfinders. And they've set the course for us, and it's there for us to take advantage of. So I just want to take the opportunity to thank you two. Oh, yeah, lady. Okay, I got to get my ladies up here. Come here. because really I don't do anything. I don't do anything. Lori, you should be up here too. So Lori Burke over here is she's my guru. She's advised me for the last 15 years, and she's the one that sent us down this path. But these ladies are the one that make it happen every day. These are our wellness nurses, and from Jana and Shauna and Yesenia and Maria, they take care of our employees. We've just got a great model, a great culture, and I encourage any of you out there, call us if we can help you, because we're believers in the system, and we want to help see it grow. So thank you guys for recognition. Appreciate you.
The last award goes to a facilitator. This gentleman has been a loudmouth with a megaphone for everything that we do here, locally, nationally. We have no more talented or dedicated champion, Jonathan Small.
Well, thank you for all you all do. Keith lied to me, and got me here for some reason that had nothing to do with this, so I'm going to get you back. I do have to say, because people might ask, well, why have I become a loudmouth? And I think it's a term that I've heard both Jay and Keith say multiple times. I actually got mugged by reality when Obamacare passed, and I got the experience of the love, charity, and faithfulness and grace of a government hospital. I found myself without insurance, which wasn't supposed to happen after Obamacare, and I just needed the simple price to have a 3-year-old's arm that we thought was broken looked at, and they told me that they couldn't give a price, and I was a pretty smart guy, I thought. I tried multiple times, and I don't mind saying their name out loud because they behaved in a very evil way. But OU Children's Hospital refused to tell me over the phone what it would cost to just have my daughter's arm looked at. We went there, we sat there for 6 hours, and they took probably 8 total minutes of care with Savannah, our daughter at the time, and I got a bill that was almost $1,500. And then it took me weeks, and then they didn't accidentally found out that I knew a lot about public policy and knew lawmakers, and so they wrote my bill down. But I decided that day that I was going to do all I could to make sure that didn't happen to anyone else. And so you guys are the ones that are actually making it possible to prove to people that healthcare doesn't have to destroy people in order for them to get it. So I want to thank all of you all, and obviously thank Keith and Jay for all you guys are doing. Thank you.